Want to create animation effect like this in your next PowerPoint presentation? I got you covered. Let's get started. The first step is to click on Shapes tab and insert a rounded rectangle. Next step is to hold the yellow dot on Shape and smooth the edges of the rectangle. Now use Ctrl+D shortcut to make copies of the shape a few more times as shown. Now move the shapes around as shown. Add a rectangle shape on slide and send to back. Select all shapes including rectangle and go to Shape Format. Click on Merge Shapes and select Subtract. Right-click and select Format Shape. Now fill the shape with white color and select No Outline in Line option. Now click on Pictures and click on Stock Images. In search bar right select the image and insert it. Now crop the image to fit the slide. Now click on Image and go to Animations tab, select Add Animation and click on Motion Paths and select Lines. Now click Effect Options and select Left. Now send the image to back. Now adjust the image as shown to change the animation path. Now go to Animations tab and open Animation pane and make the animation start with Previous. Set the duration for 3 seconds. Now click on Animation pane and click Effect Options. Make the Smooth Start and Smooth End as 0 seconds and click OK. Click on Preview to see the animation in action. Looking perfect. Now add text and change the text color as shown. Make the background as black. Now add a star shape and change its color. Apply more star shapes to fill area. Now click on Slideshow. Such a cool way to present your slides to audience. Follow me for more videos.